Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. This Colorado is featured in the Z71 trim and is a silver paint finish. It includes features such as our Redline package, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a trailer tow package with an integrated trailer brake controller, black assist steps, a hard folding tonneau cover, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, our power locks, below are power windows and power mirror controls. Bottom of the door we have some additional storage as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our integrated trailer brake controller, our lighting controls as well as all the controls for our transfer case. We have a powered front and back seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Moving down to the left-hand side, we have all of the controls for our cruise. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free, as well as the controls for our information system. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we hit our home button, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as our Bluetooth connection, phone projection, OnStar settings, as well as OnStar navigation. Camera opens our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below, additional controls if we don't want to always be using our touchscreen. Single zone climate control. We have hazard lights, traction control, our high bed lighting, as well as trailer mode, with some storage, as well as a USB-C aux and a 12-volt plug in the bottom with some more storage. Two cup holders, our shifter on the other side. You can see we have some storage in front of our center console. Inside our center console, you can see we have a USB as well as some deep storage. In the bag is all of our Redline accessories. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it's also our jet black cloth. Lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy Redline rim with our Chevrolet Bowtie center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, black mirrors, as well as our black door handle, black assist steps across the bottom. We have an extended cab layout. Back wheel matches our front wheel in our black alloy. Moving around to the back of the vehicle, we can see we have our black bow tie emblem, Colorado badging in black with red accents, red V6 badging with chrome, trailer package in the bottom, backup camera on the bottom of our hatch. Into the bed of the truck, we have our cable tie downs in the front and back, our bed liner, as well as our tonneau cover up top. Moving into the back of our extended cab, you can see we have the door handle that flips from the inside, as well as some storage in our door panel and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have our two foldable bucket seats in our jet black cloth. Between the two front seats, we have two USBs, as well as a 12-volt plug and some storage. Where our center seat would go, we have our two cup holders. Can fold the seats by simply pulling down on the side and lifting up on the bottom. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.